Hey everyone, Geoffrey here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the world of foldable phones with the all-new Honor Magic V3. This isn't just another foldable. It's a game changer with some fantastic new features and improvements. Let's unfold this beauty and see what it has to offer. But before that, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell icon for more exciting tech reviews like this. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about the design. The Honor Magic V3 has an ultra slim profile. Honor claimed that this is the thinnest foldable phone, a 4.35mm once unfolded and 9.2mm once folded, weighing only 226 grams, that perfect on using one hand. Honor has truly excelled in the build quality of the Magic V3. The hinge mechanism is smooth yet robust, providing a satisfying snap every time you close it. It also IPX8 water resistant, adding peace of mind for everyday use. The back features a stylish vegan leather finish, and it's crafted with reinforced aluminum materials, making the device both incredibly lightweight and exceptionally durable. Now let's unfold the Magic V3 to reveal its impressive 7.92-inch foldable LTPO AMOLED display. The screen offers vibrant color reproduction and deep blacks, creating a visually captivating experience. With a 120Hz refresh rate, every interaction feels incredibly smooth, whether you're scrolling through apps or gaming. Watching movies on this display is truly immersive, and with a peak brightness of 1800 nits, you will enjoy excellent visibility even in bright outdoor conditions. And for those concerned about durability, Honor claims this screen can withstand up to 400,000 folds. That's so impressive. When folded, the Magic V3 features a 6.43-inch OLED cover display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, with a peak brightness of 5000 nits. This screen is incredibly bright, ensuring clear visibility in any lighting conditions. Plus, it supports Dolby Vision, delivering vibrant colors and exceptional contrast for an enhanced viewing experience. Moving on with its performance, under the hood, the Magic V3 is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, paired with up to 16GB of RAM and 512GB of internal storage. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or editing videos, this phone handles it all without breaking a sweat. The Honor Magic V3 also runs on Magic OS 8.01, which is built on Android 14, offering a clean and intuitive user experience. One thing I love about Magic OS is its multitasking capabilities. You can run multiple apps side by side, making full use of that large foldable screen. And with improved gesture controls, navigating through apps feels even more natural. Next up, the cameras. The Honor Magic V3 boasts a versatile triple camera setup on the back, a 50MP main sensor, 40MP ultra-wide, and a 50MP telephoto lens with 3.5x optical zoom. The main sensor captures incredible detail even in low light conditions, thanks to its advanced AI processing. Plus both 20MP front-facing camera that's great for selfies and video calls. The camera software offers tons of modes, including a Pro mode for those who like to tweak settings manually. And let me tell you, the video quality is top-notch, with supports for 4K video recording at 60 frames per second. Foldables often struggle with battery life, but Honor seems to have addressed that with the Magic V3. It packs a 5150 mAh battery, which is quite impressive for a foldable. You can easily get a full day of use on a single charge, even with heavy usage. And when you do need to charge, the 66 watts fast charging gets you from 0 to 100% in just about an hour. There's also supports 50 watts wireless charging and 5 watts reverse wireless charging. Talk about versatility. So, what's the verdict on the Honor Magic V3? Well, it's clear that Honor has put a lot of thoughts into making this a truly versatile and high-performing foldable. From its stunning display to its powerful internals and impressive camera system, the Magic V3 is a strong contender in the foldable market. Whether you're a power user looking for productivity on the go or someone who loves having the latest tech, the Honor Magic V3 has something to offer. It's not just foldable, it's a statement piece that combines innovation with practicality. Alright, that's it for today's review. What are your thoughts on the Honor Magic V3? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.